Welcome to the Bloom Schools. Can we go for shopping? No, I have to meet my friend. Maybe sometimes later. Why are you going now to the supermarket? I am going to buy milk from the supermarket. May I help you? Yes. Can you arrange these things for me on the table? May I try it on? Yes, sure, it will fit you. What has he decided? He's made up his mind to quit his job. Can I help you? What are you looking for? This is too small for me. Do you have a bigger one? Excuse me, would you tell me where I can get some bread? There is a very big bakery near the school. There you get fresh bread. Where were you since morning? Since morning I was quite busy. Had to attend a workshop. May I have a look at the ring? Yes, sure. Why don't you try it on? Do you have any more colors? Yes, we have black and red also. Do you like to buy a book from this store? Yes, I like to buy. I am crazy about reading. Is there anything you would like? Yes, I am searching. Please give me some time. What do you like to buy? I like to buy a shirt. What size you are searching for? I am searching for a medium size sweater. Can you make it a little cheaper? No, sorry. It's already on reduction price. How much is it? This is $40. Do you prefer online shopping? Yes, I do more shopping online. Are you searching for any particular color? I am searching for blue color pajama. When will this be in stock? By next week, most probably. Why don't you buy this? It's too expensive for me. Sir, do you have this type of maker's hat? This type of maker's hat is out of stock. Thank you for watching.